Hi guys, this is Sherry with EXP Realty. I am at a fabulous property right now, 1016 Stagecoach, and this is in Fallbrook. We are going to be having an open house this weekend. We're going to be here all weekend, and this is a fabulous single-story home, and I'm just kind of walking backwards so you can see we've got a great fenced-in area here, and it's a single-story home. And I'm just going to walk backwards a little bit here. So you can see it's got a circular driveway. And let me pan around a little bit. Okay, so there's the front of the property. We're going to be here Saturday and Sunday this weekend. It's an auction open house, 1016 Stagecoach in Fallbrook. And we'll be here Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then we'll be back on Sunday, if you want to take a second look at it, on Sunday from 1 to 4. And bidding on this property starts on Saturday. So we look forward to seeing you. Text me, call me with any questions you might have regarding the property. My number is 951-315-3201. This is Sherry with EXP Realty, and have a great day.